Erie solicitor responding to a story we reported earlier this week regarding the sidewalk at the corner of 10th and State Streets. On Monday, we spoke with the owners of 5 Iron Golf who say they're dealing with flooding in the basement. Erie Code Enforcement says the sidewalks leading up to the door are not ADA compliant. The city solicitor says the property owners submitted new drawings for the entrance that were not approved until March of this year, adding the business will not be able to open until this is fixed.
We've got a property owner that wants to develop business in the city of Erie. The city's committed to trying to work with that property owner to get that landing or get that sidewalk ADA compliant. But this is not something that the city built incorrectly. It's that the property owner changed the plans, changed the location of the door after the sidewalk went in.
The attorney says original drawings included a recessed entryway that would have made the area ADA compliant.